AstroPay Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The AstroPay Wallet app promises fast, simple, and secure digital payments worldwide. But is it really as smooth as it sounds? Let's uncover the pros and cons so you can decide if it's right for you. Let's start with the pros. One of AstroPay's biggest strengths is its global reach. It supports users in over 150 countries, letting you pay online or send money using your local currency, no need for a bank account. This makes it ideal for people in regions where traditional financial systems are limited. Another key advantage is instant transactions. You can deposit or withdraw funds quickly using your preferred local methods, from debit cards to e-wallets. Plus, AstroPay's prepaid card option lets you make payments securely without exposing your bank or credit details. That's a huge win for privacy. The app also shines in usability. It's lightweight, fast, and available in multiple languages. With its simple interface, even first-time users can send money or shop online in minutes. Now, let's talk about the cons. The biggest drawback is that AstroPay doesn't support crypto directly. While it's expanding its ecosystem right now, it's focused mostly on fiat transactions, not digital assets. Another con is limited availability of merchants. Although AstroPay partners with many international websites, it's still not as widely accepted as PayPal or major credit cards. Lastly, fees can vary depending on your country and payment method. Some users report small conversion or withdrawal charges that add up over time. In conclusion, the AstroPay Wallet app is perfect for users looking for fast, safe, and borderless payments, especially in regions where banking access is limited. The surprising truth? It's one of the most practical solutions for everyday digital transactions, even if it's not quite ready to replace your crypto wallet just yet.